Hey guys, it's Christina with My Confection Obsession, and for today's quick tip, I'm going to be showing you how to get really white buttercream icing two ways. So when you make buttercream icing, often it has a little bit of a yellow tinge because of the butter. So there are a couple ways that you can whiten it. So the first is using actually a little bit of violet food coloring. And so this is actually just color theory here. And you're gonna wanna use gel food coloring, and with a toothpick, with a very small amount, you're gonna add it to your icing, and you're gonna see how that violet neutralizes it. So you can see how much brighter that is. So here's our original color compared, and so this looks a lot better. The second way to make your icing a bright white is to use some actual white icing color that you're just gonna add to your basic buttercream. You can get this online. I get this on Amazon, and I use the Wilton. So just some tips with this is it says to only use, I think, just a few drops. You actually need to use quite a bit. So here's my white buttercream. I'm going to generously add some white and mix that in. And the key when you're adding the additional white color for your icing is you are going to need a little bit of extra powdered sugar because this color thins it out a little bit. So don't forget to add a bit more powdered sugar. All right, and there you have it, 2 different ways that you can create really white icing for your cakes.